They wants to talk to you.
Hi, bro.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Parang nag-iba yung tsura niya.
Hindi yan, nagpagupit lang.
Good afternoon.
Please speak in English.
Please
Oh,
speak
good
in
afternoon.
English.
I have a question to you.
What is it?
Is Tita Ivy strict?
Strict?
Yes.
No.
Oh, he said no.
Who? Who strict?
Me daw, me.
Oh,
She's asking if I am strict to you.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh
Hindi.
no!
No. He said no. He said no, di ba?
no.
Yeah.
Sinuruan mo pa.
No, try to, speak again. Ask
Uh,
another question.
She don't know English.
Wait.
No, she know. Oh, you don't know English daw ba? Oh.
I'm
expert
a
to
little bit
English.
strict, little bit strict, little bit like that.
Little bit strict daw.
strict.
Sometimes strict, sometimes
Oh.
Do you hate Tita Ivy?
no.
Oh.
Weh. Ang gagalit kasi mami. Eh, ni mami siguro ako yung kalip.
How do I
Sabihin mo
make?
siya.
No daw. Ngayon, magtanong ka pa.
Who is your favorite?
Ano?
Oh,
Among the ano?
Tita Joy.
who's my favorite?
Ayan, ay favorite niya.
This favorite. She's my favorite for that.
Ako daw yung favorite niya for study. But for food, it's Tita Joy.
I'm for cook. Chef.
Oh, what else? What else do you want to ask?
Later.
Ah.
Later. So I can't. How I? She will not
Wala na,
understand if
ikaw.
I put.
Later din daw because he is eating.